Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the best driving test route at Service NSW Center in Blacktown. So this is a Blacktown Mega Center, and for the driving test you have to park on the other side. Behind this there is another parking space that is only for the driving test people. I will be showing you that. See, I am at the back side of Service NSW Center in Blacktown. See, on the right side you can see that there is a entry for Service NSW Blacktown, and I will be showing you that. See, this is the entry for Service NSW Blacktown, and you can see that this is the parking space for the driving testing people, and there is more parking I will be showing you here. See, this one on the left side, there is a more parking space for the driving testing people. People have parked the car waiting for the driving test now, so you can park there. So we will be going out and we will be turning left on Saint Martin Crescent. So let's start the driving test. So if you watch this video 10 times and practice on this route for 10 times without any mistake, then I am sure you will be getting the driving lesson in one go. You will be clearing the driving test. So we will be turning left on the Prospect Highway. It is also called Blacktown Road. So we will be taking left here. The left lane is a bus lane. Don't drive on that lane. So it is a right green arrow, so we can turn right without giving way. So we will be turning right. So there's a merging traffic, so you have to check the traffic on the left side. Sometime you find this kind of situation, don't press the horn. You have to be showing as a patience driver. So we will be going straight. Don't drive on the double lane. And the speed limit is 50 here. Keep going straight. And the left lane is for the parking. Don't drive on that lane. So we will be going straight from this traffic light. So after this traffic light, we will continue on Lucretia Road. So we will be going straight. Again, left lane is merging. Make sure that you are checking the all the mirrors and over the shoulder on your left side. So the left lane is for the parking. Don't park at that lane. So we will be doing the curbside parking test here. Give the left indicator. Check all your mirror over the shoulder on your left side. And you can slowly park the vehicle here. Don't hit the curb. So put up the car in the parking mode. Pull the handbrake. Tell the instructor that you have done the curbside parking. That is very well done. He will say let's go now. So pull down the handbrake. Put up the car in the drive mode, give the right indicator, check all the mirrors and over the shoulder on your right side. The speed limit is 50 here. All the internal roads have speed limit of 50 unless otherwise stated, and just follow the road sign. And when you are driving, keep both your hand on the steering wheel and keep observing all your mirrors and keep a watch on the speedometer. So keep going straight. So now we will be turning left on Lavinia Street. Give the left indicator. So this is the quiet street. You may be asked to do the reverse parking here. So we will be doing the reverse parking behind this grey car. Check all your mirrors, give the left indicator. Park parallel to that car and keep looking all your mirrors. Slowly take the vehicle to the reverse. Keep observing all your mirrors and make sure that you are not hitting the curb. So when you are able to see the rear wheel of the car in front of you, then you can stop. Put up the car in the parking mode and pull the handbrake, turn off the engine, tell the instructor that you have done the reverse parking. He will say, very well done, let's go. So now pull down the handbrake, put up the car in the parking drive mode and then give the right indicator, check all your mirrors and over the shoulder on your right side. Then you can start driving. So keep going straight. The speed limit is 50, but because it has vehicles on both the sides, so it will be appropriate to drive between 45 or 40. So that will be a appropriate speed. So keep going straight. And we will be turning left on Isabel Street. So on this kind of quiet street, you may be asked to do the 3-point turn. Take the vehicle to your left side. Check all your mirrors, check the traffic from your back. Stop, don't hit the curb. Keep looking all your mirrors. Give the right indicator. And now we will be turning right on Lavinia Street. keep observing all your mirrors. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. On my YouTube channel, you will find many other helpful driving test videos. You will find various other driving test routes for different service NSW centers in Sydney. And also you will find many other helpful videos like how to change the lane, what all silly mistakes people do during the school zone. So those will be very helpful. So we will be turning left on Lecreta Road. Check the traffic on your right side. So now there is a roundabout. You have to give way to the traffic to the roundabout on your right side, or any traffic from the front turning right. And there is a pedestrian crossing. You have to give way to the pedestrian. So we will be turning left on Metala Road.
Whether it's for fine dining or a special occasion, or if you just want to try an authentic taste of traditional Indian cuisine, visit Kumar's Taj in Quakers Hill.
So the left lane is for the parking only. Don't drive on that lane, and be aware that sometimes people can come out from the vehicle. You should be ready to stop in case you need to stop during emergency. So we will be turning right on this roundabout, so to the Portia Road. Give way to the traffic on the roundabout. So the speed limit is 60 here, but because it's a very tight street, it will be better to drive around 45-50, so that will be appropriate speed. So we will be turning left on Tunga Bay Road. It is a roundabout. You have to give way to the traffic on your right side. So now it is a 50 area. As you can see, the speed limit keep varying between 50-60, so you have to be following the speed limit. So keep following the Tungabi Road. So now from the roundabout we will be turning right on Targo Road. So give way to the traffic on the roundabout on your right side. So we will be turning right here. So keep following the road. So there is a school zone approaching. If you are giving the driving test between 8 AM to 9:30 AM or 2:30 PM to 4 PM, then follow the school zone limit, which will be 40. As you can see that the school zone lights are flashing. So some of the school zones don't have the flashing lights, so you have to be careful regarding the time. So if it is a school zone time, then please drive at 40. So now there is a pedestrian crossing and hump. The speed limit will be 20 km. So don't exceed the speed limit till you are able to see end of school zone signboard. Many times people think that school zone is over, but it is not over, and people exceed the speed limit. See, now there is a end school zone, so you can now increase the speed to 50. So keep going straight. See, now there is another school zone, and it is hidden behind the bush, so it is 40 speed limit here, and now it is a school zone timing, so I will be driving at 40. So sometimes the school zones signboards are not clearly visible, so you should be very careful. Again, pedestrian crossing, give way to the pedestrian. It is still a school zone, keep driving at 40. This is the common silly mistake. People feel that school zone is over now, but it is still school zone. See, as you can see now on the left side, there is a end school zone signboard. Then only you can drive at 50. Otherwise, keep driving at 40. So now we will be turning left on Gilbar Road. Don't drive on the double lane, otherwise you will straightway fail in the driving test. So from the roundabout we will be turning right on Pendle Way. So on the roundabout again you have to give way to the traffic on the roundabout. Check the traffic on your right side. And now we can turn right on Pendle Way. So we will be going straight from this traffic light. It is a 50 area, so please drive at 50, don't exceed the speed limit. So we will be going straight from this roundabout. It is a school zone again, as you can see, flashing lights. So keep driving at 40, don't exceed the speed limit. See, in this route I show you at least 3 to 4 school zone you will have. So don't get nervous, just drive at 40 if it is a school zone. So it is still a school zone, keep driving at 40. And there is a pedestrian crossing and hump. And if there is a school instructor, especially for the school zone, traffic controller, you have to follow the traffic controller's instruction. See, now on the left side you can see end school zone signboard. Only after that signboard you can drive at 50. So we will be turning right on Great Western Highway. It is a yellow light, just stop, don't rush. So we are turning right on Great Western Highway. So it will be better to drive in the middle lane. So the speed limit is 80 here, this is the main street. Don't get nervous that you are at 80. So keep going straight. If you are driving on this main road around 70 or 75, that will be appropriate speed. But if you are driving at, let's say, 50 or 55, you will be too slow, and again you will fail in the driving test. So when you are applying the brakes, don't do the sudden braking. Instructor should not fall to the front unless and until it is an emergency braking. And also don't do the tailgating. There should be appropriate distance between the car in front of you. You should be able to see the rear wheels of the car in front of you. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You can suggest this video to your family friends or any of the person who is appearing for the driving test. So this video will be very helpful. So there is a red light and speed camera. So just apply the brakes. Don't cross the red light. So now you may be asked to do the change of lane, so don't get nervous. So give the right indicator, check all your mirror over the shoulder on your right side, and you change the lane. Sometimes people get nervous. Don't slow down when you're changing the lane. So the speed limit is 80 here. Keep following the Great Western Highway. So now we will be turning right on Link Road. So we will be taking the Link Road towards Blacktown. See, there is a red right arrow, so we can't turn right. We have to wait. See, it is a green right arrow now, so we are turning right on Link Road. And now we will be turning left on Prospect Highway. So if any big vehicle is turning left and you are also turning left, you have to be very careful, and because sometimes people do the mistake and involve in an accident, because the bigger vehicle needs a bigger space to turn easily. So you have to be very careful. So it is our green light now. We will be turning left on Prospect Highway towards Blacktown. And don't drive on this spotted island, painted island. Don't drive on that one. The speed limit is 70 here. So keep going straight. The speed limit is 70. You may be asked to do the change of lane here also, but it is up to you. Like if you start driving in the right lane, then again you have to ask. You may be asked to do the change of lane test. So keep going straight. See, the left lane is the bus only lane. Don't drive in that lane, otherwise you will be failing in the driving test. So keep going straight. The left lane is still a bus lane, and from this traffic light we will be turning left on St. Martin Crescent. See, around 50 meters before the traffic lights you can drive on the bus lane. So we will be turning left on St. Martin Crescent. It's a yellow light. Let's stop. Don't rush the traffic light. You can see the Blacktown Mega Center, and we will be turning left, and we have nearly finished the driving test. I hope guys you enjoy this video. So the left arrow is still red. I can't turn left. There is a pedestrian. You have to give way and just wait for your traffic light. Sometimes pedestrians are very slow in crossing the road. Don't jump the light. So we will be turning left. Don't take the first right turn. The next right turn you can take that. And you are back after giving the driving test. As you can see, another guy is going for the driving test. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another video on a driving test, and good luck for your driving test. Thank you.